Did you know that you can visit Talladega Superspeedway anytime, even when it's not race day? You can walk through their museum and see the history of Talladega, check out all of the race cars and memorabilia, and learn about some of the legendary drivers who have raced here. You can take a tour around the track, get a bird's eye view from above, go through the tunnel underneath the track, ride the actual racetrack, and even step into Victory Lane. This is Talladega Superspeedway, and today we're going to show you all of it.
That is crazy. Wow.
Get into turn one, the banking increases up to 33 degrees.
Wow.
This is 23 degrees.
Our first stop is the museum. This is where you really start to get a feel for how much history is packed into this place. You'll see the race cars, trophies, driver memorabilia, historic photos, and displays covering some of the biggest moments in Talladega history. And there are a few cars here that we definitely wanted to take a closer look at. One of them is this Kyle Busch car, which is part of the memorial display honoring his career and accomplishments. Seeing these cars in person is pretty incredible because you can actually get close up and see all those little details that you just can't see when you're watching them fly by on the racetrack. And of course, there's some pretty special Dale Earnhardt cars here too. If you followed NASCAR for any amount of time, you know how significant Dale Earnhardt was to the sport, and especially to Talladega. Being able to see these cars up close rather than just seeing them on television or in photographs really gives you appreciation for the history behind them.
Bill Bonnet crash, Ricky Craven crash, Dale Waltrip, Mike Harmon. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. And then they're showing videos of some of the crashes up there. Wow, that's number 30 right there.
The museum is just the beginning. The track tour takes you beyond the exhibits and actually gets you out into the property.
This is just a suggestion. It was just a suggestion.
We're getting the full NASCAR experience.
Oh my gosh, are we going up that? Holy crap. Oh my god, we're going up that. Holy crap.
Grandstands on the front stretch are almost a mile long. Turn 4 to turn 1, 77,000 seats. The infield is over 300 acres. We have over 3,000 acres of property. Most of it's camping, RV, and parking. On the left is the old garage area. It's used by the 3 lower series that race here: ARCA, Craftsman Truck, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Cup Series has its own garage area further down. It's 3 buildings.
Goodness gracious. Yeah. And look at the mountains.
This is our first stop. This is OB Hill South Tower, Grandstand. We're going to take the elevator up to the top so you can see the whole track.
There should have been a checkbox that said, "Are you claustrophobic?" Makes it better. Oh my gosh.
This is gorgeous.
Talladega was built 10 years after Daytona. Daytona was built in 1959. This track was built in 1969. Bill France Sr. built Daytona for $3 million, built this place for $4 million. Changes that he made was he made the track longer. It's too big. Right here
Yeah. Whew. That ginormous ring you got on.
2023 was the diamond anniversary of NASCAR, and they gave us all a ring.
Nice.
One of the perks work for NASCAR. Get to go to all the races for free. That's another one.
Hey, Papa, do you have a ring?
This is one of the original tunnels to the infield. It took us underneath turn 4.
Grizzly nicotine pouches, campground, motorhomes and pull behinds.
On the right is one of our original Alcatraz style restrooms with the barbed wire on the roof. On the left is the big tunnel, the race haulers and the campers. That's how they get to the infield. This is one of the runways of the airfield. We call it Talladega Boulevard now. They sell out all the camping spots down both sides of this strip all the way down. Race weekend, this is the party zone. Right here, buddy.
Trash cans, porta potties. We got all the porta potties. The Alabama Gang Super Stretch. Wow, look at that bank. Pit Road Club, Talladega Garage Experience. There's the garages.
All the cars, you see all the cars.
This is Pit Road.
Oh my gosh. Look at those seats. Goodness. Look at that bank up there. That is crazy. Wow.
Get it in turn one, the banking increases up to 33 degrees.
Wow.
This is 23 degrees.
Okay, I'm good.
23, huh?
Oh my gosh. Holy
Here we go.
At 200 miles an hour.
That's insane. That is insane. Oh my gosh.
As we come out of turn two, the backstretch is 4,000 feet long before we reach turn three. Hey, you can see you made a lap around Talladega.
Woohoo!
In a nursing home bus. On the right is Victory Lane. We'll stop here. Here we are in Victory Lane.
Winners. Talladega Nights is pretty.
Here we go. Ready? That's awesome.
So you can go get inside of it. It's not gonna hurt you, Maverick. It's not real, baby.
Working at the Talladega. It's hot.
We did Talladega. It's too hot. Don't do it in the summertime.